Hey there. As Greg said, my name is Rob Frohen. I'm CEO and co-founder of Kabbage. I'm here with Catherine Petralia, also my co-founder and our Chief Operating Officer. And in case you don't know what Kabbage does, we provide loans to the millions of small businesses that generate well over $1 trillion in revenue each year. Kabbage in 2014 will put out more than $400 million, which is a huge growth from the $7 million we did way back in 2011, just a few years ago. And next year, we'll put out more than $1 billion worth of capital to small businesses. Now, we've been at a lot of Finovates before, and we've introduced a lot of great features, but today is the most exciting announcement we've ever made at Finovate since we actually launched Kabbage at Finovate in May of 2010. So what we want to introduce you today, drum roll, I guess it can't be a drum roll, is Carrot. So Carrot, you may have seen it announced on TechCrunch this morning. Carrot is the least expensive and fastest personal loan available in the market. Again, the least expensive for the borrower and the fastest, meaning it's fully automated from start to finish for the borrower. So what we're going to do is we're going to take you through Carrot and explain to you exactly how it works. Now you can use Carrot proceeds for any number of purposes. So you can use it for debt consolidation, home improvement. You can use it for that big wedding you've been wanting to throw. You might even have a sick pet and need a loan to take care of your pet. But today we're going to show you how Dana Phillips, who's an applicant, is going to go ahead and get a loan for debt consolidation. So what Catherine's doing right now is going in and getting a rate. And it's a very, very short application. This is literally the application process that you would go through if you signed up for Carrot. You indicate the amount of cash that you're interested in. In this case, it's $25,000. The reason you're going to do it, debt consolidation, and then just a few fields. There's a couple that are worth pointing out. The first one that's worth pointing out is that you're only putting in the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, and we're actually able to pull credit based on that. It does not create a hard inquiry to your credit report, to your credit, if you don't actually go ahead and take the loan. That's the only time it creates a hard inquiry. She's also put in the amount of estimated annual income, which is really important for figuring out exactly how much cash we're going to give you. And then when she does that, she moves on to the next step. She put in her email address and password. She agrees, and she moves to the next step. Now, in the next step, what she's going to do is connect her bank account. This is something we do for all small businesses that join, and there's a couple of reasons why you do it here for Carrot. Number one, she works with Bank of America. She's going to put in her username and her password. And what that allows us to do is pull down data so that we automatically verify the income in that account. So your direct deposit or other sums of income that come in. That, again, is something that we do as part of the process for Kabbage by itself. The next thing she's going to do is put in the routing number and account number. And this is importantly, as you might imagine, a way that we figure out how to push funds to your account and also how to get repaid on a monthly basis. Once she does that and she associates the bank account with her Carrot profile, you'll see we automatically approve. This is literally how fast it is. She's been approved for $25,000, and you can see the term on this loan is 36 months. She'll be making equal monthly payments of a little over $750, and she'll enjoy an APR of 6.44%, super, super low. But there's another innovation we've embedded. Who here is sick of the ACH system and how that takes so long to deliver funds? Show of hands. Okay, wow, I would expect more than that. But I will tell you right now, the other services that are available for personal loans not only take a few days to underwrite, but once they approve and decide to fund, it takes 24 to 72 hours to actually fund. We've created technology, innovated in a way that you can link your debit card. And so Catherine's going to show you how you link your debit card to your Carrot profile. All you do is put in your 16-digit debit card number, your name, and then the expiration date. And understand, we're not just pre-popping all of these fields. Catherine's actually putting in all the information. So you're literally seeing how long this takes for one of the users. And once you do that, you add that debit card, and now it's part of your account. You can see that that's the chosen method to receive your funds. And then you can decide if you want to take the $25,000, we've approved you for $25 in this case, or some lesser amount. In this case, we're going to stick with $25,000. She agrees to this amount. She selects, and then she moves on to, and she's basically been approved for $25,000. She gets a little bit less than that because it removes our loan origination fee from the amount. She accepts that and goes on to the loan agreement. It's a standard loan agreement for a personal loan, 3 years. She agrees to that, and it's done. And that took about 5 minutes. Because in 2014, taking a loan shouldn't take so long. That's what we believe. Now she can head over to the home screen by signing out. And we just want to remind you of just 3 things as we go through this. One is, Carrot.com is alive and well right now. So go to karrot.com. You can literally get a rate, get the loan amount, and it won't hit your credit report. So I've promised everybody back at the office that everybody would check it out because there's no harm, no foul in doing it. So go ahead and do it over the next couple of minutes and try it out. The other thing is, this is our first move into marketplace lending. And we've lined up several institutional investors that are putting millions of dollars on the platform that we're going to use as we grow this product over the next year. We plan on putting out about $250 million in consumer loans next year alone. We'll be at the table after this presentation, and we'd love to chat with you. Specifically, if you're an institutional investor and want to invest in the platform, be happy to chat with you. If you're also an FI or a non-FI that's looking to figure out how to provide your consumers or your small businesses with loans, this platform was built off a white label platform we created at Kabbage. And what that means is this exact experience can reside within your experience if you're a financial institution or you're a non-FI, and we're working with a variety of partners right now on that front. Thank you so much for your time and have a fantastic day.